as well as current and former associates. Chairman Jerry Nadler said they have gotten a great response.
Whoa!
Even name dropped Steve Bannon as one who had been particularly forthcoming. He says the White House, on the other hand, given him nothing.
Ultimately, people have to respond to it. So unless the president personally knows.
If you are someone who's still under 524, if you're eligible to get Chase cards, it doesn't really make sense to pick up these American Express cards until after you're done with Chase. It makes sense for you, but there's a very limited amount of people and situations where I think it makes sense to lose and to burn.
Fucking hell.
Most of them are commuter flights along the West Coast. A school district in San Rafael will not change its controversial name, at least for now. Leaders of San Rafael's Dixie schools rejected a petition last night that would have gotten rid of the district's name, a nickname for the South and the Confederacy. The Dixie School Board voted 3-2 against the proposal after 5 hours of passionate public comment and debate. Board trustee Marnie Glickman led the drive for the name change. She made a final appeal to her colleagues to approve the alternative name of Live Oak Valley Elementary or
We go home tonight and they say, what happened? They wake up tomorrow and say, what happened, Mom? I want to be able to say,
from influenza. Need a doctor? Visit bonsecours.com or call 864-610-5639 to begin your service.
Oh, man.
Look, the only thing, the dyslexia or autism, whatever, you need some document. Oh, in front. Car accident. Shit. Yeah, in front. Yeah, I tell you what, I'll call you back in front, car accident. I'll call you back, okay? I'll call you back, bye-bye.
After admitting to an anti-doping violation, the Football Association charged them last month over failing to ensure their whereabouts information was correct 3 times in the past year. And Leicester City player Riyad Mahrez is thought to have been targeted by hackers. It's after a post appeared on his official Facebook page telling fans he's retiring. Weather. A mix of frosty clear spells and showers overnight, and sunny spells and scattered showers tomorrow with high temperatures. And we'll be Radio X and standards. This is Radio X. Top level.
Fuck!
Got 100 cash. That'll do something. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? You okay? You okay?
Okay, we gotta get that guy's info.
Are you okay?
Let's